Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider, and in this video part I'll be going to explain a forex hedging strategy, which was which I have got from my one YouTube follower, and I have improved it a lot, and it turned out to be very profitable. Okay, it's a forex hedging strategy, and it's very profitable that it never ends up in loss. It always ends up in profits. Okay, so now let me go ahead and start explaining it. Okay, so now what I have written here, I have drawn this line, this black line here, which where we will start placing our trades. This pink line here shows our take profit for our first trade if it's a buy, and this pink line shows the take profit if it's a sell. Okay, and this black line shows the SL value for our buy trade, and this black line shows the SL value for our sell trade if we will place a sell trade here. Okay, so all the trades will have 10 pips take profit value and 20 pips SL value. Okay, so now let's start with the buy order blindly. Okay, let's go ahead and place a buy order blindly. Okay, so as soon as we have placed a buy order here, and we have decided that we will take a 10 pips take profit for this, and we will take a 20 pips SL for this. Okay, so let's go ahead and place our buy trade, and if our buy trade hits our take profit value here, we will definitely earn 10 pips take profit, and that will be fine. Okay, what I want you to do here, that when you will place a buy trade at this time, you have to place a sell stop below 10 pips here. Okay, when you will place a buy order here, you will place a sell stop order below here, 10 pips. Okay, if market goes in your favor, and if our buy trade hits our take profit value, we will delete our pending order at the time when it will hit our take profit value, and we will start again. We'll place a buy order again, and we'll place a sell stop order again, and we'll start again. Okay, if our buy order doesn't hit the take profit, and the market goes against us, and it activates our sell stop order, which we have placed here at this time, at this price, at this level, it should place a buy stop above 10 pips, above 10 points here. Okay, at the same time it activates the sell stop order here, it should place a buy order here. Okay, if market goes in our favor in this time, we will end up with having 10 pips take profit for this sell trade, and we will end up with 20 pips SL for our first trade. Okay, stick with me. Okay, I will be explaining the lot sizes for these trades after some time. Okay, now let me go ahead and explain the strategy in complete, so then I will move on to the lots. So if market didn't hit or take profit in this case as well, and market goes up once again, and if it reaches this level where we have placed our buy stop order, and if it activates that buy stop order, and that buy stop order becomes a market order here, at the same time when this buy stop order becomes a market order, it should place a sell stop order below here. Okay, at this level, and if it goes in our favor, and if it hits take profit value, all the previous trades must be closed. They will be closed, because our buy trade will hit the take profit, this buy trade will hit the take profit, and this sell trade will hit the SL value. Okay, so all the trades will be closed, and we should delete or pending orders. When any single trade hits the take profit value, or all the previous trades must be closed and all the pending orders must be deleted. Okay, and it should continue doing that. If market is swinging, it should continue opening buy stops and sell stop until we reach a um, take profit take profit value, either this one or this one. Okay, so now let's move on and let me tell you about the lot sizes of these trades. The first trade we will place, that very buy trade in our case, will have zero point 0.1 lots. The sell stop order which we have placed below 10 points will have zero point 0.4 lots. Market goes against and it placed a buy stop above here. Okay, this order is activated and we placed our third order, which is buy stop, will have 0.9 lots. And our next trade, our next pending trade will have 1.6 lot, and the next will have 2.5 lots and 3.6 lot. If you will see these lot sizes, and if you are clever enough, you will see that they are squares of your natural numbers. Okay, 1 square equals 1, 2 square equals 4, 3 square equals 9, 4 square equals 16, 5 square equals 25, 6 square equals 36, and so on. You have to increase your lot sizes by that number, that square of that number. Okay, so let me go ahead down here and let me tell you how you will get profit all the times. If you have placed your first buy order here, and if it hits your take profit value, it will give you $1 profit. Okay, if a market goes in against you, and if it activates your second order, which is of type sell stop, and if it activates and if it goes in profit, if it ends up hitting your take profit value, you will get $2 profit at the end of this cycle, because your first trade will hit your SL. You will get $2 loss for that first order, but your second order, which was having 0.4 lots, it will hit 10 pips take profit. You will get $4 profit for that, end up with $2 profit. 4 minus 2 equals 4. Oh, sorry, equals $2. Okay, in our third case, if our first order will hit take profit, our second order will hit SL, our third order will hit TP. So $1 profit for first trade, minus $4 for second trade, and plus $9 for third trade, we are ending up in $6 profit. And you can see here in our fourth case, we also end up in profit. In our fifth case, we also end up in profit, and so on. We will continue doing that until we end up in profit. Okay, so you need a high balance to use this strategy. Okay, you must keep in mind. Okay, there are two tips for you. When you will be placing your first trade, I suggest you not place it blindly, because we always want our first trade to hit our take profit value, or we don't want to move further than 5, maximum of 5 trades. Okay, we don't want that. But if it goes, no problem. Okay, if even if it goes above 10 trades or even more than that, no problem at all. Okay, no problem. So, and the next tip for you, okay, the first tip is that you place your first trade based on some indicators like moving average. Okay, moving average is very cool indicator. Like if moving average is below your current value, you should place buy order. Okay, if moving average is above your current value and you're going to place a trade, you should place a sell order. Okay, and there are lots of other indicators. You can watch my videos to know more about more indicators there. And the second tip for you is that you should choose a broker with the lowest spreads. Okay, you should be choosing a broker with maybe one pip spread, or maybe 1.5 pips spread. That will be fine. Okay, so this was the strategy which I wanted to teach you, and if you will learn this strategy, you will definitely earn profits. Okay, so I hope you have learned something, and keep watching my videos. I will be converting this forex. Well, by the way, if you wanted if you wanted to take an expert advisor from this strategy, you should contact me on my email address, which is Bilal, Bilal underscore Haider Haider 032 at yahoo.com. Okay, you can contact me on my email address, and I'll be providing you the expert advisor that I have created from this strategy, and you will see its results. Maybe I will be posting its results in next some days, or maybe I'll be posting those results on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you wanted that expert advisor, you can always get that from me. But if you want to use this strategy, you will be in profit all the time. So thank you for watching my video. See you next time.